Welcome again. This is my seventh video of Advanced Manufacturing Technology Question Paper Solutions, KTU Question Paper Solutions. So the question paper is September 2020, and the question number is question number 3. Write a manual part program for milling the shape given in figure. Show the tool path and explain the block. Thickness of the workpiece is 20 millimeter. All dimensions are in millimeter. So you have to prepare a manual part program for milling the shape given in the figure. Show the tool path and explain each block. You have to explain each block. Thickness of the workpiece is 20 millimeter. The workpiece thickness is 20 millimeter. All dimensions are in millimeter. So you can see the mark is 10 marks. And the question is from September 2020. Okay, so the first line is the percentage symbol. The next is the program number. Okay, the next is the program number. Then N01, G21, G90, G94. That means metric. Then G90 absolute. Then G90 for feed rate unit in millimeter per minute. Then G00, X minus 20, Y0. X minus 20, Y0 means this is my origin point. This is my 0, 0. So minus 20. So this is minus 20. X minus 20 means safe distance. Similarly, G00, Z10. Z10 means again safe distance. So this is the workpiece. So this is the workpiece, and okay, so this is the workpiece, and here say safe distance, and the top surface, this top surface of the workpiece is Z0. Then Z10 means, so this distance is 10. Okay, that means tool somewhat like this distance. This is Z10. So positive Z means in the upward direction, and in the downward direction it is negative Z. Okay, so positive Z means upward direction. So Z0 is the top surface of the workpiece, and Z10 means safe distance. That is the meaning, safe distance. Then G01 linear interpolation. G42 means cutter compensation. Then Z minus 20. Z minus 20 means this depth. That is the Z minus 20, because Z0 means this top surface. This is the top surface. This is the top surface of the workpiece, and that is Z0. So Z minus 20 means depth. Depth means minus 20. M03 means spindle start with 1000 RPM, and M08 coolant on, and the feed rate is 10 millimeter per minute. Then G01, X0, Y0. So G01, X0, Y0 means tool position is like this. Here, X0, Y0. Then next is G01, X90. So G01, X90 means this is the X90 position, X90. So you have to enter the feed value. So you already entered the feed value. So here you can see the feed value is 10, and the feed unit is millimeter per minute. So you already entered. Then next is G03. That means tool movement in this direction. That is counterclockwise direction. That means G03. So what is the value of this point? So X value is 100. And what is the Y value? Y value is 10. So here X value is 100, Y value is 10, and the radius is 10. Circular interpolation. Then next is G01, X100, Y70. Means this is the point. This point is X100, and this is Y70. Then from this point to this point, so this point is X0, and Y is 70. X0, Y70. So this is the block N09. G01, X0, Y70. Then the tool movement is from this point to here. Okay, so here this from this point to center, this is 35, and this radius is 10. That means 35 minus 10, that is 25. So X25. So this, not this x25 from this point. So this point to center, that is 35. So 35 plus 10, that is 45. So x45. So x45. Sorry, not x45. So 1 minute. Okay. So this point is x. So x value is 0, the y value. So y value is 45. So here you can see x0, y45, this point. Then tool movement like this. This is the tool movement. That means circular interpolation. So this is the clockwise. So clockwise means G02. So you have to use G02. So G02 and then this point. What is this point? So this point is, what is the x value? X value is again 0. And what is the y value? Y value is 25. This point x is, this point is x0, y25. And what about the radius? So the radius is 10. So the radius value is 10. Then from this point to this point, so this point is 0, 0. This point is 0, 0. That's why x0, y0. Then G40 means cutter compensation cancel. So here G42 means you have to consider the radius of the cutter. That's why you give the code G42 cutter compensation. And here, once the operation is completed, you just cancel the cutter compensation. Then next is the safe distance. So safe distance means minus 20, x minus 20. So here that means some safe distance from the workpiece. Then Z20 again safe distance, M05 spindle stop, coolant off, and finally end of the program, and finally percentage symbol. Okay, so that was the program. Okay, so the question is, write a manual part program for milling the shape. Given figure, show the tool path. Okay, so tool path means this is the tool path. So this is the origin, and this is my tool path. Okay, so this is the tool movement. Okay, so this is the tool movement like this. Okay, and show the tool path and explain the block. Okay, so each block you have to explain each block, and the thickness of the workpiece is 20 millimeter. All dimensions are in millimeter. So here you can see the explanation of each blocks. So O555, that means program number, like that. Okay, N18 M30, that means end of the program. N17 M09, coolant off. So you have to explain each block. Okay, so that is the manual part program for milling the shape. Thank you.